1, 2, 3, go! Hello my dear friends, once again, this is your senior citizen blogger, Abu Jabay Knowledge Channel. Before I will go to the main subject on our topic, the continuation of the fractional currencies, which is the complete set of the English series from Central Bank of the Philippines. I would like to say thank you on all my friends who've been subscribed already on my channel, the Abu Jabay Knowledge Channel. To everyone who watching my videos, and also I would like to announce the 3 winners of my question and answer portion on my blog number 12, the fractional currencies of the Central Bank of the Philippines, which I have a simple question, which is the first uploaded video on Abu Jabay Knowledge Channel. Simple answer is senior citizen blogger, and the 3 winners of this simple question. First one is Darlene Cunanan of Arayat, Pampanga. The second one is Maria Cristina Rosete of Gumaca, Quezon. And the third one is Jason Lulud of Santa Ana, Pampanga. Again, thank you very much. This is my other way to say thank you. Please continue to watch and subscribe and like, share, comments on my videos so you can fully understand the contents of this vlog number 13. I suggest that you can watch because this is the continuation of that vlog number 12, the fractional currencies in the Philippines or the Central Bank of the Philippines. And now we will discuss to you the notes from 1 peso to 500 pesos that we use from President Elpidio Quirino to President Ferdinand Marcos. There are 14 pieces to complete the English series sets from 5 centavos to 500 pesos. So dear friends, here is the additional 9 pieces notes to complete the set of the English series issued by the Central Bank of the Philippines. Aside from the fractional notes that I've been discussed on the blog number 12, here is the continuation additional notes to complete the series. The notes that we use from President Elpidio Quirino and the last issued from President Ferdinand Marcos. We will start it with this, the 1 peso, which is bearing the signature of Carlos P. Garcia and Miguel Cuaderno. So you can see the many signature varieties. I made these sets in mixed signature varieties. As you can see, the top heading is just the same. The Central Bank of the Philippines on the top heading, and the 1 peso on the center, and the First Banco Central or the First Central Bank of the Philippines seal number 1 in the right side, and on the left side is Apolinario Mabini. A very beautiful note. The size is just like the dollar, the USA dollars. And the reverse side of the note is the Barasowing Sharks in the province of Bulacan. And this is the second note, 2 pesos, bearing the signature of President Ramon Magsaysay and also Central Bank Governor Miguel Cuaderno. Say top heading Central Bank of the Philippines, and also on Dr. Jose Rizal, our national hero, the first bank seal of the Central Bank of the Philippines. And the reverse side of the notes is the picture of the landing of Magellan in Mactan Island in Cebu City, Philippines. A very beautiful notes. Many says that they are same with the greenbacks of the United States of America, because their size is just the same of the greenbacks. And the third note is the 5 pesos with the same top heading, the Central Bank of the Philippines, and Marcelo H. Del Pilar on the left, and Graciano Lopez Haina on the right side. Denomination of 5 pesos in the center, and also the Central Bank seal bearing the signature of President Diosdado Macapagal, and the Central Bank Governor now is Andres Castillo. And this is the reverse side of the note, the newspaper La Solidaridad on the center, It's also a very beautiful note. This is the fourth note, the 10 pesos, bearing the signature of President Ferdinand Marcos, Gregorio Licaros, the central bank governor, the portrait of the priest, Father Burgos, Gomez, and Zamora. This is the reverse side of the note. The center, the Urdaneta and Legazpi monument, all color brown, very beautiful also. Followed by the 20 pesos, bearing the signature of Diosdado Macapagal and the central bank governor Andres Castillo, with the same top heading, the Central Bank of the Philippines, and the bank seal on the right side, with a portrait of Emilio Jacinto on the right and Andres Bonifacio on the left. This is the reverse side of the note, kartilya ng Katipunan at center, and the monument of Andres Bonifacio, followed by the 50 pesos, top heading Central Bank of the Philippines, and 50 pesos in the center, bearing the signature of President Diosdado Macapagal and the Central Bank Governor Andres Castillo, and with the portrait of the great painter Antonio Luna. This is the reverse side of the 50 pesos, the blood compact between Chicatuna and Legazpi, red in color, a beautiful note. And now the 100 pesos, the first and original 1949 issues of the Central Bank of the Philippines, dated 1949, bearing the signature of President Elpidio Quirino and the first governor of the Central Bank of the Philippines, Miguel Cuaderno. As you see the portrait of the Tandang Sora on the left side of the note, and the first Central Bank seal in 1949 at the right side. And this is the reverse side of the 100 pesos notes, showing the 6 regimental flags and the veterans, followed by the 200 pesos with the top heading, the Central Bank of the Philippines, and the portrait of President Manuel L. Quezon with the first bank seal for the Central Bank of the Philippines on the right, and also bearing the signature of President Elpidio Quirino and Miguel Cuaderno. Is the reverse side of the 200 pesos, showing on the center is the legislative building, and also with the 200 pesos denomination in 4 corners. And now to complete the Central Bank of the Philippines, here is the 500 pesos, bearing the signature of President Elpidio Quirino and Miguel Cuaderno. This is the first 1949 issue of the Central Bank of the Philippines, which is in the portrait of the President Manuel Rojas. This is the reverse side of the 500 pesos, the portrait of the Central Bank building in the center, with the 500 pesos denomination in 4 corners. All of you, my dear friends, this is the 14 pieces complete set of the English series of the Central Bank of the Philippines in mixed signatures. Once again, my dear friends, and on behalf of Apu Jabay Knowledge Channel, I want to say thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope in my very own little way I can be helped in showing the legacy of the beautiful paper money of our beloved country, Philippines. If you enjoy watching my videos, please like, share, comments, and subscribe, and push the bell button to keep you updated on my next videos. Apu Jabay Knowledge Channel loves you more. Keep safe everyone, and God bless.